I will introduce what is multimeter. Multimeter is the equipment that can measure many electronical quantities, but measure only one quantity at the same time. You can set that voltmeter, ammeter, or ohmmeter. You can choose direct current or alternative current. Multimeter has two types. Types are divided by system. One is analog, it's on the left one. Two is digital, it's on the right one. Good morning, we will teach you how to use digital micrometer. Here is the monitor. Next, press red button to open and adjust to ohmmeter mode. This socket is for ground socket. This one is for voltage and resistance. This one is for current. Here is resistor which we will measure. This electronic potential converter. Press the red button to open. There are probes. They are used for connect to the electronic potential converter. Next, we will measure the resistance of resistor. Connect the probe with multimeter. Touch the tip of the probe to each side of the resistor, then read and record the display. The value is 108.2. Next, we will measure the potential difference of direct current. Connect the probe with electric potential converter. Let each of the same probe clips are pinched. Convert the mode into measure potential difference of direct current. V with hyphen above. Then read and record the display. The value is 1.61. Next, we will measure the potential difference of alternate current. Move the probe and connect the probe with AC electric potential converter. Convert the mode into measure potential difference of alternative current. We will tilde above. Then read and record the display. The value is 3.8 volt. Next, we will measure the current of direct current. Move the probes and connect the probe with DC electric potential converter. Move the probe and connect the probe with socket that used for measure current milliampere. Touch the tips of the probes to each side of the resistor and convert the mode into measure current of direct current. A with hyphens mode. The value is 62.8 milliampere. Next, we will measure the current of alternative current. Move the probe, touch the tips of the probes to each side of the resistor and let the tips of each same pole are touched. Convert the mode into measure current of alternative current. A with tilde above is 12.4 milliampere. When you finish, turn off and clear your work. Thank you for watching.